everybody, I'm Rachel, also known as Racheezels, and this dance style that I do is called waacking. In this video, I'll be sharing with you a short waacking choreography, mixing in all these techniques that we have learned so far, and it should be quite easy for beginners to pick it up. You just need to work a little bit on the coordination because we'll be adding grooves and leg, like footwork, with the arm techniques that we have learned. So this song is by local DJ Site, and it's called I Know Corrida. This video is mirrored, so at any point if you need to redo any particular steps, please feel free to do that and perform like a star. Hi everybody, now we're gonna go into a short choreography mixing in all these techniques that you have learned just now. And this is the best part because waacking is all about performance. So when we do this piece together, I really want you to live your life and give yourself a new imaginary alter ego and a new character, and let's perform. Okay, so we're gonna start with 4 poses. We're gonna do 2 Marilyn Monroe and 2 poses that are created by you. Okay, so the first one is of course the iconic dress. We're gonna go hit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna go into your own pose, any pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Marilyn Monroe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one, your pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so same thing. Every time you hit the pose, it's strong on the 1 and hold it strong and proud for the next 7 counts. Okay, so let's try it all together continuously. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Strong. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your pose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Marilyn Monroe. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Okay. So after these 4 poses, you are gonna walk forward. Okay. So I'm gonna start from the back a little bit so I can show you the steps. You're gonna go just easy. You're gonna go 1, 2, 3, close. Okay, easy as it is. And your arms are gonna go into both hand twirl. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's try arms and legs together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can. After this, you're gonna go into a open up your leg and hit it in a 90-degree spot. 90 degree, I mean 45 degrees. And you're gonna keep 45 and then keep. So you're gonna push your hip outwards, bring it back in, outwards, bring it back in. Okay, and we're gonna go lines with the opposite leg here and here. And all good. And you're gonna open up this leg and hold it there with a pose in your hands and change another 4 counts. 6, 7, and 8. Keep it back. Let's try this whole thing together. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, in this next part, you're doing the exact same thing, but you're walking backwards. Starting from the same leg, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now your hand goes up, and another pose. 2, 3, 4, another pose. 2, 3, and 8. Okay, so 8, you're gonna keep your legs together so that you can move on to the next step. Into a 4-step to the side. Okay, you're gonna go 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And your hands is gonna follow the vocals of the music. Remember how we use our wrist to catch the music? And then I think she goes something like la 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 da 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 da. Okay, hands up to you. I just want you to hear and catch the music with your wrists. Okay, let's try from these 4 counts. You go 1, 2, and 3, 4. La 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 la. After you finish, you're gonna do a turn. So towards this side, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 1, 2, and 3, and 4. But now the hands change into a flick from the top, flick, and then drop it down, and bring it back up. And after, you turn again towards the center. For your final step, you're gonna go twirl, twirl, up, twirl, twirl, up, down. Okay, but this last step is really fast. Okay, it's twirl, twirl, up, twirl, twirl, up and down. Let's try. 5, 6, 7, and twirl, twirl, up, twirl, twirl, up and down. Yes. Okay, let's try from these 4 steps all the way until the end. Okay, 5, 6, and 7, and we go. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. La 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 la, and turn around. You walk. Da 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 da, and flick. 2, 3, 4. Come back. 6, 7, 8, and turn. 2, 3, 4, and da da ha, and down. Okay, the hands is still faster when the music comes in. Okay, let's try all the way from the top. You ready? Starts with the poses, the walking, and then the groove. The other side ends with the fast hands. Let's try. One time, slow, without music first. In 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Your pose. 6 and 7. Marilyn Monroe. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. 6 and 7 and keep. 1, 2, and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8 and pose. 2, 3, 4 and change. 6, 7, keep. 1, 2, and 3 and 4 and up. 6 and 7 and 8 and pose. 2, 3, 4, tic-tac. 6, 7, keep. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. La 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 la, and turn. 2 and 3 and walk. 1, 2, and 3 and go. Flick. 2, 3, 4 and up. 2, 3, 4 and turn. And fast. La 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 la, up and down. Yes. Okay, now you ready? We're gonna try with music now. Psych. Thank you for following me in the video. So feel free to pause at any segment if you wish to practice a little bit more. And when you're done, you can just move on to the next video. Thank you, Scape, for having me, and please follow ScRach MarcS on Instagram. And I really want to see what you guys do with whatever you have learned from the video. So please tag SCAPESG on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.